Okay, this is quite an exciting point. All our hard work for understanding lambda expressions and method references should start to pay off now. We have reached the point where we are ready for the Stream API. In this video, I'll provide you with an overview of the Stream API. The Stream API was introduced in Java 8 and allows for functional programming. This mainly comes down to making it easier to work with sequences of elements. It provides a more elegant and readable way to perform operations on arrays, collections, and other data structures. So a valid question at this point would be, what are streams? A stream in this context is a stream of data. And it helps, or at least for me it helps, to really think about a stream. I picture my data flowing in like water. And water typically comes from somewhere. It has a source. And the same is true for data streams. They have a source. We'll start with that in a minute, but let me provide you with an overview of what can happen to a stream. And let's picture the stream of data. A stream consists at least of a source and an end. I like to think of a glass of water as the end product here. The tap could be the source, and the glass of water could be the end. But there can be steps in between. For example, if we look at the river as a source for a glass of water, it typically takes some steps to come from the original source to drinking water. We call these steps the intermediate operations. There are several steps in between to clean and process the water and get our end result eventually. But of course, we're not talking about water. We're talking about data. Let's say we get data from the database. The data coming from the database can be turned into the source. And we want to filter this for certain conditions. The filtering steps are the intermediate operations. We then, for example, want to write the result somewhere. And this writing is the terminal operation that's going to end the stream. In the next video, we'll start at the source and look at how we can obtain a data stream.